Hey guys, today I'm here with this super easy, super simple holiday makeup tutorial. So make sure you stick around and don't forget to subscribe if you're new to my channel. Okay, before I apply any makeup, I'll be using this Maybelline Baby Skin Pore Eraser to prime my face. And as you can see, all I'm doing is applying the primer to my hands and rubbing it into my face. Now I'm going to use this e.l.f. foundation in the shade Cocoa, and I'm going to apply this foundation to my face with a flat concealer brush. Now I'm going to take this fluffer foundation brush to blend out the foundation that I just applied to my face. Next, I'm going to take this LA Girl Pro Concealer and I'm going to highlight under my eyes and also the T-zone areas of my face, which is your forehead down to your chin. Now using a beauty blender, I'm going to blend in all the concealer that I just put on my face. And now for a super easy and simple contour, I'm going to use this LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Mahogany to contour my nose, jawline, and the temples of my forehead. Okay, this next step is different from what I usually do, but it is a more simple way to set your concealer if you're a beginner with makeup. Instead of baking to set my foundation and concealer, I'm taking this translucent setting powder by Revlon, and I'm going to set my concealer. Now, once again, using this LA Girl Pro Concealer, I'm going to prime my eyelids. On top of the concealer that I just applied to my eyelids, I'm going to go in and use the Revlon translucent setting powder once again to set the concealer that I just applied on my eyelids. Okay, to complete this entire eyeshadow look, I'll be using one palette, which is the BH Cosmetics B by Kayy Beauty eyeshadow palette. First off, for my transition color, I'm going to go in with this chocolate brown color called Inspired. On the outer corners of my eye, I'm going to go in with this darker brown color in the shade Bold. Okay, now for my eyelids, I'm going to apply this pretty brown shimmering color in the shade Thoughtful. Okay, now with this shimmery gold color in the shade Able, I'm going to apply it to the inner corner of my eyes. Now using this black liquid eyeliner from RK by Kiss, I'm going to create a wing on both of my eyes. By doing this, it will create a bolder look on my eyes since we are not using any false lashes for this look. going to go in with this Revlon Photo Ready Sunlit Dream Highlighting Palette, and I'm going to apply this highlight shade to my face. Next, to make my eyelashes pop, I'm going to go in with this CoverGirl So Lashy Blast Pro. Now on my lips, I'll be going in with this lipstick in the shade Bare Berries by Kiss Cosmetics. Finally, using the e.l.f. Set and Mist setting spray, I'm going to set my face. Okay guys, this super easy, super simple holiday makeup tutorial is finally complete. Thank you for watching, and if you are new, make sure you subscribe, and if you like this tutorial, make sure you hit that like button.